Hey guys, it's Crystal, and today I am so excited because we're gonna take a look at the all-electric Ford F-150 Lightning truck. And big thank you to Ford for working with me on this video. Before we hit the road, I need to give you guys a vehicle tour because this truck is a beauty. I'm driving the LARIAT model with the extended range battery in this gorgeous anti-matter metallic blue color. This color shines so much in the day and looks super sleek at night. The truck also has a lot of that classic F-150 Ford truck feel in the body, inside and out, with a little EV twist on it. Now, one of my favorite parts about the exterior is simply the signature light bar that stretches all the way across the front. And again, this thing looks just as good in the day as it does at nighttime. And it's just one of those things that gives this truck that extra pop that makes it stand out from the rest while still looking so good. Moving to the sides of the truck, back here, we have the Lightning badging, which blends so nicely with the color of this model. We also have the running boards down here, which also help you hop in and out of the truck smoothly. Everything about this is just so well thought out. Now, with this being a truck, there is so much storage and space everywhere. It's massive. Not only do we have the super spacious bed of the truck, but since it's an EV, we also get a frunk with lots of room and power. Here's a closer look at the frunk and the space that we get here, but not only space, the power as well. We have 4 additional power outlets here with a USB-C port and a USB-A port. There is power everywhere around this truck, but I really love this here because if you want to charge your devices on the go, maybe I'm charging my camera or my laptop while I'm on the road, I can literally plug it in and leave it charging here while I'm driving. We also have some lights here on the top, which is really useful to light everything up when it's starting to get dark or at nighttime, and additional storage down here. You can stuff even more things away, and this also drains, so you can use it as a cooler. The extra functionality that we get with the frunk has been really useful in my everyday life. Let's take a look at the bed of the truck. This is what makes the truck a truck, so let's take a look at all the space that we got back here. And we have it nice and covered now. I have a bed cover on, which has been so nice and helpful for winter weather. You never know when it's gonna rain or snow, so this is really helpful for that, to make sure everything is nice and stowed away and covered back here. Of course, with our Pro Power, we have even more power back here, more power outlets. And here we have our tailgate step to step right into the back to load things in with our guiding pole here. And you can step right up just like that. Taking a look at the inside of the truck now, it is just as sleek as the outside, and again, tons of space and storage. Now, for me, the heart and soul of the inside is the available 15.5-inch touchscreen, and through here, you can access your vehicle settings, navigation, entertainment, and more. Another thing I really love about the inside of this truck is the sunroof that stretches across the whole roof of the car, adding so much light in here when you have the cover open. You can even crack it open to get some fresh air in here while you're driving, or just simply keep the cover off to look at the beautiful views above. Now, another bonus with the inside is that you can really utilize the space in here as a workstation as well. And it's kind of designed for you to do so because the gear shift here goes completely flat with a push of a button, just like that. And then this part here comes out, so it turns into a nice little desk area, maybe a nice little place to put some snacks and eat if you want to on the go. This is really useful for me because I always take video calls from my car, so it's nice to just bring my laptop in here, maybe bring a little snack, and do my work out of the truck. Now, when we fold up our little table here, if we're talking storage, we have a lot of storage in the middle compartment here. So much space, so much room, and even more power in here. We have another USB-A, USB-C port with, again, lots of space. And the Pro Power continues on board because we have more ports here, another USB-A, USB-C port next to the wireless charger. Again, a lot of room to put any devices, cup holders, phone holder, and more power. Surprise, surprise, 12-volt charger here, AC power here. The power and the storage in this truck is endless. It's our road trip day.
Yay!
And it's raining.
It is.
Hence the outerwear.
Yep.
It's all good. We're gonna hit the road, pack up the truck, and get ready for our little trip.
Yeah.
All right.
Vámonos.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I am ready as a
Cucumber.
Driving this, I've been driving this for a few weeks now, and one of my favorite things is just the view that we get with the backup camera and the aerial view on top. It's so nice.
I have to say, I really thought I was not going to be the biggest fan, if I'm honest, of like a pickup truck, and now I can't picture myself about this car. I love it so much. It's so big, so wide, but you feel like comfortable.
I love the way this drives. Like it's just such a smooth drive. You feel very high up off the ground, but it's not in a way that it feels like foreign when you start driving it. I mean, I'm gonna shut off the heater right now just so you can see how quiet it is. Like the fact that this is a truck, look, we're stopped now, but the car is running and it's silent. It's so nice. Hi, can I get a medium iced latte with oat milk? Parked here for a second so I could take a little sip. Oh, cheers. Now, another nice thing with this car experience, we do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so we can easily navigate and play music just by plugging in our phone, connecting via Bluetooth, and we're all set and good to go. And the speakers, the speakers
are great.
They hit. We have B&O speakers really all around the entire truck here. It's just so powerful, so nice. We made it
To the Poconos.
We are here. We had a lovely smooth drive over. Navigation took us all the way, and thanks to the extended range battery, I mean, I left with a full charge, and we probably won't really need to charge this trip, which is really nice. Because of that, we have an EPA estimated range of 320 miles. So yeah, we're pretty solid. We are solid. And we're here at our lovely cottage. I'm just excited to be one with nature, spend time in the great outdoors with our lovely truck. This truck is built for the outdoors, like literally camping. I'm ready to do it all. But today we have a little fun activity planned. Gabby over here, she likes to sing songs, and she might play a little live performance for us using the Pro Power on the truck. And we're gonna plug in her whole little music setup, her acoustic guitar into the amp, your mic into your laptop, and we'll be good to go. Before we set up for Gabby's performance, I want to show you guys the back seat in this truck because there is a lot of room here too, and it's really spacious. If we take a look, we also get our heated seats back here, 6 more cup holders, again that Pro Power. We have our USB-A port, USB-C port, and the AC power outlet, and like I said, tons of space. So riding in the back is just as nice as riding in the front. We are all plugged in and ready to go.
Ready to go. I take my things with me literally everywhere I go, and the fact that this truck can fit it all and more, I'm in love. And I started with my laptop discharged, and look at me now. I'm ready to go, plugged in literally all around.
And by this point of the day, we have taken advantage of Pro Power on every part of the truck. We use the front, the cabin, and now we're in the bed of the truck, powering Gabby's little practice performance on the back here. The Ford F-150 Lightning combines comfort, convenience, and technology, making it more than just a truck. It's literally a mobile living space. Whether you're working on the go or going out on an adventure, this truck has got you covered. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and hasta luego.